Okay, you gonna say something to Nana? Okay, talk to Nana like you're talking to her on the phone. Say hi, Nana.
Hi, Nana.
What do you want to say to her? Say, I hope you get better.
I hope I get better.
Say, I want to come see you.
I can see you.
Say, I miss you.
I miss you.
I want to give you big hugs and kisses.
And big hugs and kisses.
What else? Anything else? Yeah. You want to sing her a song? Okay, what song can you sing?
ABCs.
What else?
ABC.
Can you sing I belong to you, you belong to me, you're my sweetheart?
What's up with me, my sweetheart?
Yay! Okay, give her kisses.
Mwah. Mwah.
I love you, Nana. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You can push it.